Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. In this video, I will share you a technique to block all the video calls in Instagram. Click on profile picture. On top, click on three dots or three lines. From the bottom, click on setting. Now click on notifications. Here click on messages. Scroll down. From video chats, click on off button, or you can click on the people that you follow. Click on back, and now you will never receive a video calls from anyone. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. Bye bye.